Good morning, everyone. It's time to do our calendar. So let's do the rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Ooh, nice work. All right, we're going to start our calendar right away. In the background, I see something different up here. I see some clouds. That must mean it's different today. I'm excited. All right, first let's talk about how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I'm feeling, what was this feeling? How do I feel? Tell me. I feel happy. That's right. I'm going to write the word happy. Happy. Let's see it. That spells happy. How are you feeling? Tell me. I hope you're feeling happy today too. Let's start our calendar. All right. Hit the play button.
It's April.
April?
2020.
April. We're going to talk about the month, but first we're going to do the days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Let's see it. Wednesday. You tell me, what day? Awesome job. It's Wednesday today. Very cool. Let's click on the box. Awesome. Next, Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. So now we're going to do the months because guess what? March is all done. Ooh, March was long. March is all done. It's a new month. The new month is called April. And I put some flowers next to the word April. Right there. See my flowers? Because in April, flowers start to grow. April starts with letter. Nice. You tell me. You tell me. April starts with letter A. That's right. Nice job. Let's spell April. A P R I L. Now you can say it yourself. Ready? I'll start you off. A April. Awesome job. All right. Now, so we said it's Wednesday and the new month is April. Now we're going to count, and it's a small number. It's a little number. So all we have to do is we say number 1. It's April 1st. What is it today? It's number 1, right? It's April 1st. That's what we can say. And I have, you guys know, we do a 10 frame, don't we? Sometimes we do a 10 frame. I'm going to show you one dot on my 10 frame. I'm going to pick a green one today. All right. I put one dot on my 10 frame. How many? Right. 1. 1 dot, and it's April 1st. Great job, friends. All right, let's see. This is fill in the missing day of the week and the number, remember? So up here, we put the day of the week, which was what, remember? It was Wednesday. So we're going to slide it there.
Wednesday.
Good job. Now we need to do number, what number was it? You tell me. Nice. 1. Let's put it back.
First.
All right.
Great job.
So we're going to talk about a few special days in April, okay? The special days are with the stars. Some people celebrate Passover, so we're going to put stars on April 9th. All right. Another holiday that some people celebrate is Easter, right? The Easter bunny comes and there's eggs and sometimes there's Easter baskets. So we're going to put a special star on Easter. It's special. I see one more day. It's April 22nd. It's called Earth Day. That's where we talk about keeping the earth clean. That's a good day. I'll put it there. All right. Let's see what else is next. Choose a picture for your calendar. Let's see. I see a boy and a girl, and they're going for a walk. What are they doing? Tell me. They're going for a walk. That's right. Nice. Let's look at this one. Ooh, in this picture, the weather is looking a little, what's that weather called? Is it sunny? No. That weather is called rainy. Looks like this, kind of. A cloud and the rain. Rainy. In April, it rains. All right. So I like, let's choose the walking one when it's sunny. All right. The last thing we're going to do is the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right. I'm the weather watcher. I'm at home. Let's see. There's my window. I see something in the sky. It's, oh, there it is. Sunny. Your turn to tell me, what's the weather today? Sunny. Awesome job. I'm so glad it's sunny. Maybe we can play outside today. All right. Now, let's tell me the whole date, okay? So we say today is Wednesday. Good. What was the month? New month. March is all done. New month is April. Good. You tell me. You tell me April. And the number was 1. Today is Wednesday, April 1 or 1st. And the weather is sunny. Great job at calendar, friends. I'll see you later today. Have a good day and play outside. Bye.